Students at Charlo schools didn't have school today due to a problem with the school's furnace. An issue with the pump at the main fuel tank is preventing fuel from getting to the furnaces that heat the school. Charlo Superintendent Steve Love says they have multiple people working on the problem. They hope to have it fixed by tomorrow. Parents will be notified if there are any changes over email, Facebook, and the school's website.
There's something wrong with the pump at the main fuel tank, not sending fuel to our furnaces and our boiler. I'm hopeful we'll be back tomorrow morning. I got 2 different servicemen companies working on it right now.
Again, so parents and students know you will be notified by email or the Facebook page and the school's website if they do plan to have classes again tomorrow.